Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farizal bin Zainal. In this video, I will present about design for manual ring. First, my product, ada product part. I choose die and memory button. Next is content. In this presentation, I want to have a 7 content. Product objective, part to be studied, general shape attribute for the original part, general shape attribute for the new part, another process that will be eliminated for every attribute, final process and suitable material. Next, introduction and objective. Introduction. We need to pick one part from the practical one, and then we need to decide the suitable process and to make this part. And after that, we need to decide the shape attribution for the original, and after redesign process that will be eliminated for the every attribute. Lastly, we choose the suitable material and give the cost why pick this material. Then objective. Have a first objective. First, get the basic idea of the manufacturing process and decide the shape attribute to all and new design, and then success to identify the suitable process and identify the suitable, and then identify the suitable material of the part. Part to be studied. The next below is the generate shape attribute table for the redesign product. This section consists of pictures of the redesigned product and also the table. This is my redesign part, type and memory button. I combine this part to reduce the assembly time and estimate time. Reduce okay, and then this process section is no screw, just fits to the base. Next is general shape attribute for the original part. Next below now show the pictures the original part, and even below will to table that show the general shape attribute of the shape part. I combine this part because this part is use the same material, and after combine efficiency part, time can be improved. This die button thickness is 14, and then the size is 85 millimeters. Alpha 118, beta 316. Alpha plus beta is 514. Then for handling, manual handling, one hand easy to grasp, and the manipulation code dia code 2 times 20 times, and the code is 1.8. Then manual section, part circle majorly, part and associated to can be easily to the reach the desired location. No screw operation or plastic location, plastic deformation immediately. After insertion, easy to align. And position with no resistance, no insertion. Resistance to insertion code times 13, code is 2. And then shape attribute. In this section, it show the original part that's what had before being the redesign, and discuss about the general shape attribute that's present upon the part. And then there's identify the general shape attribute part, discuss whether yes or no. First, have a 8 character expression, uniform wall thickness, uniform cross section axis of a rotation, regular cross section, capture cavity, enclosed draft free surface. So attribute for this part, this press is yes, and then uni-wall is no, uniside no, axis for rotation no, regular cross section yes, and then capable cavities no, enclosed none, and then draft is not have draft. Then next is a table show to use to the table how to use, or as a guide to the table is carry. Then this at the left side is a table to guide, and then this, at the right this table has been broken down. I start above. I will be eliminate or remove the not suitable process. First, blow molding, and for injection and extrusion, rotation molding, power metal part, rotary swinging, hot extrusion, wire EDM, sheet metal thermoforming, and metal spinning. Next, final process. Final process for all design and design simplified is soon. And I choose the thermoset for this material, suitable material, because this part use the rubber material, and so especially the machine process is not suitable lah. So the conclusion, process this part which is both and old, the new and old design is injection molding. Suitable material. And finally, from the material selection, I choose the thermoset because the better height melting point to this material to compatible and eco-friendly manufacturing and high impact resistant. Benefit benefit of plastic thermoset ni this first, high recyclability, high impact resistant, remolding and reshaping capabilities, chemical resistant, hard crystalline or rubbering surface option, and eco-friendly manufacturing. And then that's all for me.